It has been a hot minute since I made high protein ice cream in my Ninja Creami, but I'm gonna try a new flavor today. We're gonna start with one of these Core Power vanilla protein shakes. And then I always like to add just a little bit of regular milk to this as well. Just makes it taste more like ice cream. This is a protein powder I have not used before. It's Clean Simple Eats. I've heard good things about it, and I bought a variety pack because so many of the flavors sounded good to make ice cream, and this flavor is Snickerdoodle. So I'm hoping it's kind of a vanilla cinnamony. Smells really good. It smells like Snickerdoodle. You want to add about a tablespoon of pudding mix. 46 grams of protein in this, and I will figure out the calories. We're gonna pop this in the freezer for 24 hours. Okay, it's frozen solid. I've taken it out of the freezer. Always like to add just another splash of liquid, and then we'll lock it into the machine, and it makes a very loud noise. All right, we're gonna pour this in, back on. All right, this is what it looks like with the mixed in. Let's try it. It's so friggin' good. I will calculate the protein grams and the calories and put it in the caption. This is the Snickerdoodle high protein ice cream. What did you say, Fish?